This hospital, which began as an 8-bedded hospital, is today a medical college, and we feel so happy that during the last 54 years we have been able to serve the patients and the people of Kerala, and also through our nurses and doctors the world over.
This is not only the story of success. This is the story of dedication, determination, and uncompromised struggle against the odds. What started in 1959 as an 8-bedded clinic now stands sentinel in the healthcare map of South India. The hospital, which started with meager facilities as an 8-bedded clinic in 1959 to cater the needs of women and children, gradually developed to a medical college in 2002. The present stature and transformation of Pushpagiri Group of institutions cannot be compared to anything else.
For spurring the growth of the institution and for entering into the education field, Pushpagiri Hospital became a medical society in 1992. On the road to improvisation and expansion, a decade later, in 2002, Pushpagiri Medical Society entered into the arena of higher education in the medical and allied fields by starting one of the first private medical colleges in Kerala.
With the clinical brilliance, added technologies, and service excellence, Pushpagiri earned a prominent space in the world of medical care.
Pushpagiri Medical College Hospital is one of the best private hospital in Kerala and the biggest one in the central Travancore. It is a 1,200 bedded multi-super specialty hospital with a facility of 15 basic departments and 13 super specialty departments. We have 500 doctors in this healing ministry, and we have 750 nurses and also around 1,000 paramedical supportive staff are working here.
Nursing is not merely a profession, it's a call from God, a divine call to service. Nursing service is one of the highlights in Pushpagiri Hospital. Around 700 professionally trained staff nurses guarantees collaborative care. We have postgraduates, graduates, experienced diploma nurses, and also multi-purpose health workers.
It has grown to a multi-specialty hospital, and 2002 it has grown to the stage of a medical college. With 100 admissions every year, this college has grown now to start postgraduate courses and postdoctoral courses in this institution. We have now 100 admissions per year, and already 540 graduates has gone out in flying colors from this institution. And now we have MD courses or postgraduate degree courses in 15 departments, along with diploma courses in 5 departments, with a total of about 31 PG degree seats and 10 diploma seats. DM, that is postdoctoral degree in cardiology, and MCH courses in neurosurgery and DM in neurology. We have around 2,000 staff and somewhere around 280 doctors and faculty members to teach the students.
The mission that Pushpagiri look forward is to work towards a knowledge society with life in abundance through science and technology, improving healthcare for our immediate community, the state, the country, and the world at large.
The areas of research in our center pertains to research in the area of diabetics, research in oncology, research in radiation biology, in nanoscience and nanotechnology, and microbiology, particularly medical microbiology. Also, we do research in neurosurgery to innovate newer drugs in these areas. This is an important area of research in our center, particularly to develop diagnostic kits.
Pushpagiri Center of Virology, it is one of the leading virology centers in the Pathanamthitta district. We began in 2011, and in this short span of time we offer a range of diagnostic services, not just viral serology, which is routinely done in most of the laboratories and hospitals in and around this place, but also the focus is on molecular biology.
Pushpagiri Group, with all its modern amenities, assures quality education, world-class treatment, and professional healthcare.
This is the emergency department of the Pushpagiri Medical College Hospital, and this is one of the best emergency departments and most recently built in Kerala. And it has 30 beds, and we have state-of-the-art equipment to do all that is necessary to provide emergency care for our patients here.
Our department is rated as one of the best departments in southern India by the Medical Council of India. Our patients are given yoga treatment, and we also have a music therapy session. We get referrals from psychiatry from all over the state, right from the north to the south, and we are able to provide one of the best services.
We stand for the simple motto that we care and God cures our patients, and we believe that healing and preaching are two of the ministries which we need to strive for to serve our patients. This 1,200 bedded multi-specialty institution is a university hospital with all the facilities that are required to care for our patients in all stages of life, from newborn till end of life, pain and palliative care. And we are constantly exploring new avenues by which we can serve our patients better.
Across the span of half a century, Pushpagiri has traveled forward with an understanding and vision. We care, God cures.
We care,
God cures.
We care, God cures.
Pushpagiri proclaims the faith of taking upon each other's burdens and humility before the divine providence, from where all cure and healing happens.